What is up, guys? I am Grace Curtolo and I just got to Las Vegas for the first time and I'm so excited. I am here for the Imex Conference, which is a huge hospitality conference, and people come from all around the world to bring their company here to share it with others. So I'm going to try to show you guys a little bit of the Imex, but also Las Vegas. It is 5:48 and our first thing we are doing today is going bowling with the Radisson group, which invited my mom and I to join on this conference. I just got back from bowling with the Radisson group and I had such a fun time. I ended up coming in second place. Super stoked about that. Of course, I have to play a little blackjack while I'm here, so I'm gonna go head to the tables. Good morning. I just got a coffee and now I'm ready to go for the day. We're going to be stopping at all different booths today, a bunch of different appointments. Hilton has lollipops that you eat and then you put the stick in the ground and they grow into a flower. Absolutely amazing. It's amazing. How could you not be? Princess Grace. Sorry.
Whoops.
So at the Thailand booth, they were so amazing and they offered, if you waited, a custom passport holder, and that is my name. That says Grace right there. But what was crazy about it is that you could not pick it up until you get your name memorized and perfectly done in their language. Love it so much. Thank you so much, Thailand. I just got back to the hotel. I'm super tired from an amazing first day at Imex. The night is just about to begin. So I just left the sports betting area. I put 25 down on the Sabres and 25 for over, and it was 5.5. So fingers crossed I went on one of these. Now I'm gonna head back to the Venetian to go to Tao for a happy hour, and then I'm gonna head to the Sabres game. Game, and it is crazy loud over here, so let's get in. Vegas won 1-3, but I can't complain because it was such an amazing experience and it was super fun. And I think the Vegas Knights are such an amazing team, and look at this area, you cannot complain. And the Vegas Knights definitely know what's up and knows how to show you a good time. Crazy tonight and last night. You can't go to Vegas, conference or not, and not go to one of these nightclubs. So here we go. When I walked in, no one told me I couldn't have a camera, so I had no problems for about 35 minutes recording, which was super awesome, until someone poked me and dragged me outside telling me I can't have a camera, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to roll this, but whatever, so roll it, check it out. So it's 2:30 in the morning. I just got my camera. Happy birthday, Nightmare, the DJ. He definitely turned it up in there. So I'm going to head back to my room now, which is so nice that the nightclub is right in the hotel. Good morning, today's Wednesday. About to head to the second day of the conference. Guys, check out my new badge. It is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. Super fun, great for events. How could you forget someone's name with one of these? Hi. Hi. So we just got done with our second day at Imex. It was such an amazing time. Now we're back at Caesar's Palace and we are heading to the buffet. It is supposed to be the best buffet in Las Vegas, right here at the Caesar's Palace. We went to the Forum to go a little shopping and it was super great. I cannot believe that there is a mall even connected to a hotel. Now, we just ran back to the hotel. My mom's downstairs in the lobby hanging out, and I am going to go head out again tonight to just meet some people within the industry